This 2015 Winnebago Adventurer 38Q is a Class A RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 39 feet 1 inch in length and features a beige, maple interior, sleeps 4, microwave, water heater, air conditioning, smoke detector, LP detector, refrigerator, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, rear bedroom. This 2015 Winnebago Adventurer 38Q is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.